Welcome to the weekend meditation. As we ride into this weekend, we started off with a new moon on Thursday and continued to enjoy that under beautiful autumn skies. And November also will signal for us a return to standard daylight time. It's also a month that the theme is generally Thanksgiving because we have that holiday. So we might take time to be thankful for all that we have. It is one of the most powerful ways to acknowledge the universe and those around us and all the gifts that we share every day. Especially in the United States, we are fortunate to have an abundance of many essential things right at our fingertips. When we have a new moon, it's also a whole new beginning until we come to December's new moon. So let us set intention for those things that are most important to us. And let us just do this brief exercise using the figure 8. Let us just bring in the new, push out the old. And again, bringing in the new, pushing out the old. And again, bringing in the new, pushing out the old, and expanding our energy to accept and receive the abundance of the universe. We can do this exercise every day because every day is a new day. This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelmed warrior, and I appreciate your joining me today. So let us just go with one hand over the other, right above the heart. So we're sitting on the thymus area, and the thymus gland is an important aspect of our immune system. So we just want to keep amping up our immune system to stay strong, healthy, and again, to thank every cell in our body for all that it does second by second. So close your eyes for a few minutes. Let this be personal healing time just for yourself. Take a deep breath in and simply blow out. Through that straw. Let your shoulders drop and relax. Again, deep breath in, expanding the lungs, blowing out through the straw, releasing any tension, upsetment, doubt, fear, letting go. Letting the shoulders drop even more. Just be aware of your body and also the power of your immune system and the power of your heart. Thymus is so close to the heart center that we invite the enormous power of the heart to nurture, support our immune system and literally every aspect of our being. remembering that the heart has the most electromagnetic energy of any organ in the body, including the brain. We can never thank the heart enough for all that she does. She's a feminine organ working 24/7 for our benefit. So as we love the heart, let us also love ourselves for taking this short 10 minutes to just reflect and provide thanks, not only to the heart and the immune system, but every single cell in our body that is constantly changing and performing the miracle of keeping us alive. We also know how powerful the mind is. So we want to acknowledge and remind ourselves that the brain and the mind believe everything we say. It doesn't distinguish if something is real or not. So our imagination can produce miracles. Imagine and see yourself healthy, vital, with purpose in life, moving forward with ease and grace. Again, breathing in deeply. Breathing out through the straw. Relaxing. Releasing tension, stress, anxiety, doubt, and fear. And taking this moment to hold all of your being in love, honor, and reverence, just as you are in this moment in time. This is Elsie Kerns. Thanks for joining me. I invite you to check out my website, overwhelmwarrior.com. I offer a free consult if you'd like to chat and see how I might be able to help. And I wish you a wonderful week ahead until we meet next weekend.